In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promo code on your Etsy store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a discount that fits your products, your customers, and your overall strategy. First, log into your Etsy account and head to your Shop Manager dashboard. This is your main control center as a seller. You can usually get there by clicking on the Shop Manager button at the top of the Etsy homepage once you're signed in. Make sure you're in the correct shop if you manage more than one. Once you're in Shop Manager, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Marketing. This is where Etsy groups all of your tools for attracting and retaining customers, including sales, discounts, and more. Inside the Marketing section, select Sales and Discounts. This page shows any existing promotions you've set up and gives you options to create new ones. On this page, look for the promo code section and click on Setup. This will start the process of creating a new discount code that customers can enter at checkout. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu next to Discount Amount. Click that drop-down and choose the type of discount you want to offer. You can pick a percentage off, a fixed amount off, or free standard delivery. Think about what makes the most sense for your margins and your audience. Percentage off is great for site-wide sales, while free shipping can work well to reduce cart abandonment. After choosing the type, click into the field next to it and enter the value. For example, if you selected a percentage discount, type in something like 10 or 20. If you picked a fixed amount, enter the exact currency amount you're comfortable discounting. Now decide on the order minimum. Here you can choose none, set a minimum number of items, or require a minimum order total. Using a minimum can help protect your profit by encouraging larger orders before the discount applies. Next, set the duration. Choose your start and end dates so the promo code only works during the time frame you want, such as a weekend sale or a holiday promotion. Then, click into the custom promo code field and type the code customers will use, like spring sale or something easy to remember and share. When you're happy with those details, click Continue. On the next screen, decide if the code should apply to all listings in your shop or only selected listings. This is useful if you want to exclude certain items or focus the discount on specific products. Finally, click on Review and Confirm. Take a moment to double check your discount type, amount, dates, and eligible listings, then confirm. Your promo code is now active and ready for you to share with your customers.